Almost to the waterfall. There's some cool rocks over there. And we're still going this way. Oh, great, a little waterfall. Oh, sweet. And that's our destination. If I can get up this. Oh, that's awesome. This whole place is ice. This is awesome. Okay. Dude, this is so cool. It's a little bit cold in here, but whatever. It's like, it just reminds me of a cathedral or something of ice. And you can go up inside of it. I'm going. No, I'm not. Why is ice so slick? Grab on one of those ice things. I don't have a hand here. I'm behind the ice waterfall. And this is awesome. This is like a giant wall of ice. I can hear the water underneath it. So cool. I think I want to get up there.
That's crazy.
Just like break all these off. Looks like it's melted against the rock. All through here. I feel like I'm in a giant ice cave. Alright. Let's go. You can't really tell on the camera. There's just so much texture on all of this. It's so cool. Take a picture of this. I'm sliding down. Dude. But I could climb that, Shane.
Huh?
I could probably climb that.
Bitch. I don't know, man. It's dangerous.
I don't know. I probably won't. This place is so cool. And I feel like I'm about to get blown up like the tourists in all the movies. Dude, I'm gonna go up this. I don't think I can do it with the camera though. Here, Shane, hold the camera up.
Alright.
Yeah, I don't know how. Oh my gosh.
This ice is falling on me.
Here, get the camera ready.
Okay, let me get up. There you go.
Alright, this is awesome. What do I have to hold on to? Sketchy business. Oh, it's up here. I can't tell what it is, but my camera can. Okay, I can totally get up there. I'm getting up there. Okay, bye. This is me up in a waterfall. Hey, say hi, everybody.
What's up, man? How's it out for waterfall?
It's great. Okay, I'm gonna show you what's in here because it's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. There's the roof. There's a big dark hole that I could fall into any second. And this is my favorite part. You can see the water right there. Awesome. And that's what I climbed up. Okay. I'm gonna try and get up there somehow, but I don't know. So wish me luck. Goodbye. Alright, here's the dilemma. I'm up here, it's like an hour later from the last time I recorded, and I'm still stuck, and I can't get down. So I'm not gonna try and climb down this, which is super sketchy. There's a giant ice hole thingy right here that I could fall in. Giant hole back here. And I'm sitting on this little thingy like a little horse. Woo! So Shane's gonna send some paracord down here to rescue me while I climb up that and try and live. So it's starting to get really cold and hopefully it all works out great. Wish me luck. He's about to throw the, oh, here it goes.
Is that far enough?
No, down further. Okay, there it is. Alright, I'm going, see you, bye.
Yeah, please do not do this ever again.
Okay, you guys ready?
Ready!
I can't get up this stupid rock. My hand is in the crack.
Just don't die.
Stop me. If I fall, am I gonna die?
Yeah, you'll die.
Okay.
You just lean backwards.
Wait now?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Wait, is he climbing up?
Hey, there may be a rock right there. Sorry.
You good? I think, yeah, is that a good handhold right there? Like if I just
If you got
jump
your
up and grab
hand
it?
up, if you can get up to that point, you might be able to use it to push
Can I
up.
just rhino up to that?
Grab the stick.
Let's
Yeah,
go
I'm going, I might
down.
fall right here, like big chance of
He
falling.
might fall. Kyle, get ready to help.
Are you kidding? Kyle, come back here.
I'll tackle you if he falls.
Kyle, come
The
here.
stick isn't too sturdy, so use your feet if you can.
Hey, if he falls, should I
You want to grab the stick
cut
again?
the rope?
Going down my butt.
Shane, if he falls,
Stick,
should I
stick,
cut
stick,
the
stick,
rope from my end, Shane? Shane?
Okay, try pulling yourself up. We can hold you with the rope. Just get a little higher.
Kyle,
There's
please
no
cut
way.
me off.
Can you get your
One, two,
arm on
five.
that rock?
Oh, it's not.
Okay, ready?
My ears just buzz like I got.
Kyle, pull with 2 hands now. I'm gonna fall.
Okay, go.
There's no handhold right here.
None? Here,
Okay,
grab the
I'm
stick.
pulling the stick like for my life. I
Okay,
feel like it's gonna break. But
I do too. Pull! Lance, lean back!
Let's go. Go, go, go.
Pull! Pull! Keep
yes!
going! Yeah!
Oh my gosh.
I done been rescued!
That was awesome.
Oh, I hate
Okay, we're gonna make this.
Oh, there's gonna light on fire.
Let's try that.
Okay, ready?
Here's some serious stuff. Yeah, I had that stuff.
My legs are hard.
And it won't focus.
Well, you saw me.
Almost got it.
No way. We just did that. Can I say amazing? And epic?
Hey, want me to put some lid on? Shane?
Oh, come on, stop smoking. People are gonna know we're here.
You're not Indians.
Okay, warm me up.
My name is Dreamish. Dude, I swear that water was deeper than my foot it was.
Did you fall in?
No, it was like that
He
deep.
was stepping in it.
I had it to save your life.
Stop smoking.
Hey Shane, I'm gonna move your backpack over
You
down.
can stop recording.
This is our hobo camp. I don't know what they're doing. Shane's just taking pictures and it's our fire. And now it's warm, so we're gonna keep going on until we get to the cliffs of doom. Okay, bye.
Cliffs of insanity!